Oh man. What up, chat? Hey, chat. The Discord is lit. The best fucking community on these problem streets. Got so much better Thursday. It's been amazing ever since. It was already great, but now it's like just next level. The shit elevated. We're just having fun in there. Still winning. Lots of winning still happening. I got to let the DCA gang know that we're here. Got to let the DCA gang know that we're fucking online. We're live. We're live. Get these fucking earbuds the fuck out of my face. Holy shit. A little bit of clutter on my fucking little desk in here, in my compadre. Oh man, what a bounce. Fuck, what a fucking bounce. Wait till you see what I did on that 786 bounce. I wish I did it. I wish I had orders in every fucking account there. That was fucking beautiful. That was beautiful. Just logging into all my fucking accounts over here. And then I'll show my screen. Oh man. Yo, who's out there? Slick Rick, the ruler. Rick, tactical. Hell yeah, bro. Hell fucking yeah. I love to see it. Canute. Canute. Tick Daddy. Chase. LK. MAGA Musketeer. Bro, I'm like although I was woken up like 5 times by my fucking dog to go out last night, the old man dog. I probably was up at that point for the open, but I'm usually sleeping during the open. Marcin, Foster, Sebastian, V33, Coach Fred, JC, Perry Dollar to make him holla. Cody, P. Shenanigan. You see, guys? Eric Graham, Felix, Marco. Coach Fred can't log into his Thrive account anymore. Damn it. I heard Bullinox is going to have Trade Evade soon. That's fucking great news. Cube told me. He hit up support and they told him. They didn't say a specific date, but that would be fucking amazing. Dips and Peaks, Sean. Just My Style, Mark Kell. Marco. Marcin. Yo, P, I saw your message. Did you want to tell me something? I saw your friend request, bro. I got you. Marcin, did you win an account or some shit? I think you did. Did you win an account the other day? Hold on a sec. Oh, you didn't. You didn't. My bad, bro. I was like, I'm trying to figure out why you were gonna hit me up. You're not trying to show me any dick pics, are you? All right, anyway, here's my Apex account. I literally just passed these on this fucking move right here. So we have the high a day. We came all the way fucking down. And I had a fucking fib drawn here. And I waited. And we got down there. And I went long. Literally. Oh, wait. Wrong accounts. Hold on. I took a screenshot. 1781. Right here. Mother. Right here. All 5 of the accounts. I got in literally at the 786. And all I needed was 15 and a quarter points, right? 15.25 points, and we got it. So I'll be back to fucking 20 funded accounts tomorrow. It'll be PA's number 576, 577, 578, 579, and 580. Go fucking tweet about it, bitch. Cry about it. Fucking loser. Anyway. I don't give a fuck how many PAs I'm up to. Anyway, these had priority. Damn, is this a retest right here? We going higher? Hold on a sec. Keep saying my name in all the other Discords you're fucking in, bitch. I love it. We need more people in the DGen fam. We need to save more people. Tim Morgan. Hot shot. I don't have one for Power Hour. Hey, Tick Daddy. We're getting requests for Jay Bundy for Power Hour thumbnails. Just throwing that out there, bro. Just throwing it out there. Yash, Carlos. Yeah, that one was a big hit. All of those thumbnails you guys make are fucking amazing. The Bob Rosses, the Gangsta J. So, as I was saying in my title, LK. I'm fucking profitable. I'm profitable overall. I finally got there. And I get fucking haters in burner accounts coming on my streams saying, like, I blew accounts the other day. Yeah, I blew accounts. Oh, you're up to 575. So what? Oh, you spent this much money. Yeah, I know. I told everybody. I don't give a fuck. I'm fucking profitable. I'm a profitable trader with prop firms since fucking December. I'm a lot more profitable now. And I'm profitable with Apex by a lot too. It's so weird. Miss Goody. Moba Ben. Yash. Hot Shot. Did I miss anybody? I got Tim Morgan. Revenger. Let's see if it comes down and retest this. Or does it want the lower the VWAP band? Oh, Revenger. I already know who Revenger is. We'll give them a chance to reveal themselves. So I had accounts that had priority over others because I as you can see, I didn't trade all of my accounts. Although 9 of these are in a group together. So like I take one trade and I win or lose and all 9 accounts are traded, right? This one's by itself. I needed to trade this one. This is a brand new PA from the one I passed on President's Day. I didn't trade it yet. I gotta load it. Hold on. All I know is 560s on day 7. This is day 7. Day 7, I need one more fucking flip day, and I request tomorrow. Tomorrow, after the market closes, I'm requesting 2,000 on this one. How hard can it be to not fucking lose all that money? Obviously, I'm not going to. I wanted to show you what I'm working with here and why I was working on. Damn, look at all that shit. Damn, look at all that fucking money. Damn. Look at all those PAs. Oh my God. Shut the fuck up. Anyway, at least I show my fucking account numbers. So, 554. 554. I already got 2 payouts on this fucker. Since I got my second payout, I got 1, 2, 3 $50 days in already. And then today was day number 4. So I got 4 $50 days, and I need 1 more $50 day. And then I can flip the rest of the way. And then I can request again for the 3rd fucking time. This one's going to be payout number 2. And then these 2, I wanted to make sure I got these taken care of. Hey, look, we retested this shit. Is it going to keep going lower? I might need to expand this to the next low, potentially. We'll see. Interestingly enough, that bounce that we had was the 707 based on this being the low. So it's interesting. It's interesting. Let's see. So what I'm going to do here, 567, I'm going to put orders in. There's 9 accounts. We're going to have an order right here for 567 to 575. I mean, this is cool if it retests here, whatever, but I hope it breaks and goes to the next level. It might want this low with a VWAP band anyway. I'll put a stop here just in case I'm not paying attention and the shit blows through it. But anyway, so these 2 accounts right here, 561 and 562, they are accounts I already got a payout on. I just got paid on these, and they are on, let's see. Got the payout here. Well, right here. I requested here, I think. I think that's what that green arrow means. Yeah. So we got 1, 2, 3. So these 2, again, 561 and 562. Also, I just locked in. Hold on a sec. Did I do that right? 1, 2, 3. Yup. I just locked in my fourth $50 day. Apex is 90% off, by the way. 90% off with the best fucking code 0DayJ. You could get 25K and 50Ks for less than $20, and then the 150s, 250s, and 300s are $39.70. Lifetime activation fee still $75 or $95, depending on the size of the account. But yeah, so my priority this morning, because I didn't get to trade everything or even as nearly as much as I wanted to trade last night, was to get the accounts that were the closest to payouts traded and you know, accounts grown, get them moving forward, get them closer to a payout. So I did that. 561 and 562 were one of them, or 2 of them, excuse me. So I got my 4th day in with those. My 4th $50 day. 554 was another one. That's my 4th $50 day with that one. And then 560, obviously day 7. I did that last night. It was an easy flip. Moving right along. So that's Apex. Oh, and I passed these. I passed these, right? Got to keep this shit volume up so we can hear this shit in case I get filled. And then we got Take Profit Trader here. Man, I didn't fuck up, but I grew these a little bit last night. Basically $160. So I'm closing in on the buffer. But man, this morning I had an order. Watch this. I had these 2 orders in to get filled short at 257 and 218. Right around here. Right around here is when I placed them. I would have gotten filled at 218, and it fucking dropped from 218 down the fucking 938, almost fucking 300 ticks. If I fucking got filled in that, I would have fucking, I mean, I don't think I would have been in for this part here, but I would have been in for at least this, which was like 200, almost 200 ticks. That would have been another $400, but I didn't get it. I canceled it like a fucking bitch. But whatever. It happens. Moba Ben. Too much green. Might need to hang out with all the stream. Yeah. Eric Graham. Yeah. It's just weird how people still have shit to say. It's like, I'm like, I've been fucking killing it. People still have shit to fucking say about me. It's weird. But make sure you say my name in other Discords and on other people's channels. So they'll come and hang out and see what all the fuss is about. Why the hate? Stock cars and bets. Oh my God, great fucking job, man. Gary. Yeah, I mean, it's been like that for it's been like that for 2 weeks now. It's been 2 weeks. Haven't really skipped a beat. What else do I have? I didn't touch these trade day evals because I blew my funded accounts the other night. That sucked. Didn't touch these yet. Although this isn't a bad fucking spot. It seems like it wants to retest it at this level. I don't know how. I don't know. I don't trust this shit. I mean, it looks like it wants to go, but I wanted it to come down lower in the other accounts. But man, if I was paying attention, I mean, that was fucking 20 something points. All I needed is like 9 if I full ported these with the NQ. Gold's like not really moving right now, which is fine. And then I got these Lucid Flexes. I did these funded Lucid Flexes I already got paid on. I finally had a decent sized day. I got 400 oh my God, look at that shit go, you fuck. I got $436 on each of these accounts. And that's also day 3. That's day 3. I got my third $150 day in. The best part is I recovered from having hardly any drawdown after getting paid on Friday. I had like none. I was down to like $500 and $600 worth of drawdown. Actually, all like in the 500s. It held at this level. That fucking blows. Carlos. Was he really? Benny, Vince, Isaac. It fucking sucks, Eric. That's why I don't fuck with the open, man. I don't fuck with the open. You got to let the open breathe, too. You got to let it figure out what it wants to do. At least it was just an eval and not a funded account. So I'm on date. I need 2 more days of $150 or more with these. Now, I don't know if Lucy's going to let me request half of my balance or half of what I was able to get between payouts. I don't remember. I don't know if I've ever gotten a second pad on Flex. I don't remember. I'm not sure. Maybe I have. P shenanigan. We do the fucking P, not gold. We do it. All right, I got to look in the Discord. I'm going to look in here just in case it's inappropriate for the stream. By the way, if you're not hanging out in the best fucking community on these platform streets, better than most paid communities, if not all of them. Oh, Yash, you sent me a screenshot. I thought you sent me a DM. Oh, you made me. Yo. Yo, guys, we got some more fucking thumbnails. I'm telling you, the DCA gang makes the best fucking thumbnails in the game. It's fucking amazing. I'm going to show that in a second. Oh, my God. Half the balance. All right, cool. All right, so that's looking good. I mean, I'll be able to request more this time if I could get the job done. We're talking, if I get like just another $300, I'll be at like $1,700 and change on all of these. So I'll be able to request 850 times 5, 4250 times 0.9. It'll be $3,800, 3,800 more dollars. Rick. By the way, here's the link to the best fucking community if some of you guys aren't in there yet. Susan, not for long though. Just today. Newt's made me this one recently. Look at these bangers. I can't wait to use those, bro. I'm using them. Lonnie, what up? I'm using them. I use them all. Look, I mean, I literally use them all. Watch this. Look at these fucking thumbnails. I even used this one. I wasn't sure about this one, but I was like, fuck it. Oh my God, Jacob, yo. All right, so, whoops. What's going to happen here? I'm very happy I passed these. Miss Goody, which one? The Iranian one? Iranian Day J? New Jack City. That was a great movie. The Bob, yeah, see, people like different ones. I kind of look like my boy Jay Perez in this. A little bit. Watch. Look. Don't I look? I kind of look like him in that fucking thing. Yash, you know about Jay Perez? This is my boy. This is like one of my best friends in life. Big time art broker. That's how I got this. He represented it. He represents an artist. One of his artists. This was his. I bought it from him. Always supporting the collective. Anyway, I guess it's trying to hold here. You're $164 away from getting your first Apex. No, I missed it, Miss Goody. That's awesome. You're so close. How hard can it be? How many days you in? What day are you up to? Prince J. Muhammad. Yeah, call me Prince. Call me the trader formerly known as Jay. 60-hour trader, what up? A 0-day Tory. Put like, oh, give me her hair. Put me in her purple Ferrari. That she got from trading, of course. Cody. Damn, bro. Good job. iTrade, what up? Yeah, we gotta have one with Ty J 0-day J Lopez. Knowledge. Fucking hilarious. I guess this fucking level's holding right now. It's kind of annoying because I wanted it to come down more. You're on day 6? All right, Miss Goody, you're good. Just keep doing what you've been doing to build the account up. What's up, Penny? Just do the same thing. Just keep doing it. Piece of cake, right? How hard can it be? I don't know how you're gonna do it without those magical signals that we used to get in our Discord all the time. I don't know how you're gonna be able to do it without that. DCA LeConte. Yeah, just buck up and keep jabbing. Oh, damn it! I wanted it to come lower. Do you want to hang out in here, Penelope? What do you want to do? Huh? Yo, yeah, Miss Goody, we'll always have the tan lines. Don't worry. We'll always have the tan lines. So I'm fucking green everywhere so far for the day. I don't know if I'm gonna get to trade everything. I got orders in. I'm not touching it. Eventually I'm gonna fuck with this. This is some eval that came through on a rebuild that I didn't need or want. Forgot to cancel the subscription. I literally, I'm such an idiot for canceling this. I would have had it. Doomslayer. Hey, man. Alfred, keep flushing. Keep flushing. Keep fucking jabbing that plunger. Doomslayer. Remember, yo, Alfred, remember in Half Baked, they kept calling Dave Chappelle a janitor, and he was like, custodian, dick. I was looking for that GIF. I can't find that GIF. I'm so fucking annoyed. I figured there would be a GIF there. How much of a difference is it? Broseph? Let's see. Whoops. 702. I mean, it's 5 ticks difference. It's only 5 ticks. Hey, Doomslayer. If anything, you're sharpening the saw. You know what I mean? Miss Goody used to twist her nips strat. I like that one. No pain, no gain, right? I don't know what you want to do, Penelope. You want to get out? Oh, what? Oh my goodness. Go ahead. Go ahead. Get out. Go. Look, leave. See ya. What the fuck? You're scratching my fucking slab over here. Why'd you come in here? There you go. There you go. There's the spot. Go lay in your bed. I need more fucking coffee. I need more coffee. Yeah, Doomslayer. That's all. That's it, man. Carlos is requesting 2K tonight. Love to see it. We'd love to see it. We love it. So much winning in the best fucking community on these prop firm streets. Stephen Cox. Pine Tree, what up? Susan, yo, homie the clown. I don't think so. Gary. Yeah, like, or if you like put a fucking hat on or some shit. Some dogs are weird like that. Nah, she just, I don't know what she's doing. I think my son's girlfriend's here, which I don't think she cares about that. It's just, she wanted to be in here, and then she came in here, and then I opened the door for her to leave because she's just standing in there. I thought she wanted to leave, and then she knocked over one of my coin slabs. Susan's going to be requesting 3K with Trade Iffy tonight. Fuck yeah. Take that money from Brett's NFT fucking fund. We love it. We love winning. We love winning. Some people can't stand people winning. Some people just think that they're the only ones that should be winning. Or if anybody else is winning, it's not fair to them. But not in the DCA gang. This is garbage fucking price action right now. What the fuck? We haven't done shit since I got on, basically. I had my one little opportunity right here, and I canceled the order. Stephen Cox isn't bitter. I promise. Listen, I'd be bitter too. I'm still fucking salty about what I did to my trade day accounts the other day. I'm still salty about that. It was so stupid. Tech Review, what up? There's a rumor that Logan Paul rug pulled investors in that Pokemon card. Doesn't surprise me. Oh my God, you motherfucker. So all of that, watch this. We retested that fucking, let me go back. Oh, you fuck. I just wanted it to go lower. Now it's not coming back. So I had here, this was the 786. This first touch is when I fucking passed those Apex evals. The first touch, right? Oh, was it? No, yeah, it was right here. This first touch. Hold on. This first touch right here is when I passed these 5. And then it retested it, and look what it's doing. It bounced right the fuck off of it. I wish it would have came lower. Now what I'm going to do is look for a short opportunity. That's interesting right there, but I hope it comes up higher to like here. And I'll fucking take a short in 9 accounts. But man, what a fucking happy little fucking retest. You know, yeah, we wicked below it a little bit. So what? I mean, we bounced 56. We bounced 50 fucking points. Finally. Tech. You think he got rug pulled by Jake Paul? Or was that Logan? No, it was Logan. PW was one of them. Perry Dollar to make him holler. Jacob Hodges requesting 650. Fuck yeah, bro. Lonnie. Jacob Hodge, what prop firm is that? What prop firm are you requesting from? We love to see it. Scott. Yeah, I got my order at 9:30. 9:30:25. It might just hold here. For now, at least. Logan. What's good? Vero. Any other code? There's only one fucking code I recommend, Coach Fred. It's 0Day J, especially for 90% off Apex. Low IQ person here. 0Day J for 90% off Apex. Let me show you the promotion. Let me show you guys the promotion. Here it is right here. First month, obviously. The fucking 150s, 250s, and 300s are $39.70. I know that the 50Ks are $19.70, and I'm sure the 25Ks are maybe a little bit less than that, or right around the same. And then the lifetime activation fee still in play. They're $75 for the 25, 50s, and 100s, and they're $95. They lowered the price from $135 to $95 for the 150s, 250s, and 300s. So the all-in cost is really nice. Take Profit Trade is 40% off and no activation fee. Bullinox is 89% off. Any size account, option 1. Don't get anything bigger than a 50K. What else do we have here? This new shit, this 25K flex. If you're a first time, I don't know if it's the first time getting the account or for new users, $49 for these 25K flexes at My Fund the Futures with my code. What else? What else can I show you? What other codes can I show you? Really, I'm pretty sure my code will work on any My Fund the Futures plan. I just don't know what the discounts are anymore. This is like $20 off the flex for everybody else. I don't know. Lucid's fucking 40% off any eval, any size, any type, 5 uses. With the best fucking code 0Day J, then it goes to 30%. And 30% off anything else. Anyway, what's going on here? Oh my God, I might get filled. What a fucking bounce. I can't believe I fucking missed that shit. I fucking cancel my order. I do that so often. It's so annoying. Stevie J. Apex payouts hit the accounts. Nice, man. So you're planning on quitting your job and going full-time as a trader, or you just changing direction and just going somewhere else? Total scam. Joe. They're a total scam. But all these people keep getting paid by them. Jacob. Oh, nice. So you're over the buffer, bro. Marcine. Yo, Marcine, thank you, bro. Danny Siebes, what up? Oh, Trump is live right now? Uh-oh. Oh, my God. I just fucking missed getting filled. Are you fucking kidding me? Look how close this was. Less than 2 points. It was like 2 points. 3 points. Look how close. And look, you fucking motherfucker. It was 4 points. I might get filled now, though. I don't know. I'm scared now. Mob Barley. That's great, man. That's great, Stevie J. J Condom. Wood Chip. What up? Hey, Scott, I mean, it's a good call. It was right there. It just, sometimes you just don't get filled. It decided we got somebody who moves the markets talking right now. You sent another one? Trend Friend, that's awesome. You used the best fucking code. What are you trading? What are those Apex accounts? I could confirm, but you won't accept. How? All these people are getting paid. All these people are getting paid. Myself included. But all these other people are fucking not influencers or affiliates. Top Step is a lot worse. JK, what up? I don't know. Every time I get approved by Apex, the money hits my bank account. Moba Ben, hell yeah. Yo, Jacob Hodge. So that was Take Profit Trader. That was Take Profit Trader. You're literally now you could literally get paid every day if you want, right? If you could just keep being green, you're at the buffer, or you'll be at the buffer when you request, right? We love to see it. I trade. Nice, bro. Nice. I hope it doesn't break to the upside. I hope it rejects right where I get filled. I hope I top tick the fucking NQ. I'm scared though. What's he talking about? This was the spot right here. This one right here was the spot. It dropped from 26. I would have loved 15 points, 18 points. I would have taken it. Now, I could get, it might hit this 5-minute 21. I might get stopped out. I don't know. I like the order down here a lot better. Look at this bounce. It fucking held the 786. I mean, we're up 70 fucking points. Oh, so you got paid. You got paid, but they decided you were a liability to them. Did you not get paid? Yeah, I don't know why they do that. I don't know what their formula is that they follow to do shit like that. But you got paid. It's not like they didn't pay you.
Order filled.
Here we go. Time to fucking pay attention. I can't deal with you right now, counterintuitive. I don't know. Yeah, see, I'm going to get stopped out. I think I'm going to get stopped out. I'm definitely going to get stopped out. Knew it. I fucking knew it. Now, is it going to drop now? Or am I just going to fuck myself here? Yeah, I think I'm just fucking myself. Oh, maybe not. Oh, come on, just fucking drop it. This is the problem with the NQ when fucking Trump is talking. Fucking cocksucker controls this shit. He's got the fucking market on a string. Oh, let's go. Drop it. Oh, I was just green. Dump it. Dump it. Nope. That was my chance right there to get out green. I'm going to get stopped out again. Maybe not. Maybe it'll drop for me. There we go. There we fucking go. Come on. I'm going to get taken out there. I'm down $1.20. I'm down $1.20. Retest it up here. I was up a little bit more. All I had to do was just hold this trade and not let myself get stopped out. But I was worried, so I had a tight stop. Retest it.
Order filled.
All right, let's see if it goes back down now on the retest. Ah, you fucker. I don't know. As long as this fuckboy's talking, it's going to be all over the place. I'll take that. If that's all I could get. No, now it's going to fucking dump. But I'm green now, so eat a dick. Whatever. But wait, I still think this area is going to hold. Look. It always does. I always get played like that. Do I want to fucking get in again? Yep, you know what? I'm fucking green everywhere! That's some low IQ fucking trading right there. What up, Oscar? I am shit. Oh, shit. I am shit. Oh, man. Total fucking shit. Total shit. Oh, man. Woo! Look at that shit. Look at all that shit I am. Damn, I'm still in fucking January. Holy shit. I'm still in fucking, now I'm finally in December. Oh, still in December. Whoa, I'm fucking shit. Vincenzo. V33. Oh, man. That's why they say don't walk away. Alpha Prime, what up? You held for hours. No, bro. Matt, I did it off stream, literally right before I got on. Where are we at? Now I need to expand this fib to the next fucking high, which is here. Yeah, we'll put an order here. Alpha Prime, you good, bro. It happens. Anthony Jr., thank you, sir. Brandon, it was a 786 that I saw. I don't know if that, well, I wasn't at the low of day. My order, whoops, I got an order down here. I had it this right here, not the low of day, but from the high of day to this spot right here was the 786. If you go down to this low, which is another decent spot, it was the 707. Nice fucking bounce, though. What a bounce. Beautiful bounce. No skills. What's good, bro? Cone Killer. There's no one Rilla. The VWAP is holding. I am shit. Not bad for being shit. I'm fucking green everywhere, bitch. Oh, except for this. I didn't trade there yet. Oh, I'm shit. By the way, Apex is 90% off. Apex Trader Funding, that is. 90% off. With the best code 0DayJ. Take Profit Trade is 40% off with no activation fee. Trade Day is 30% off with no activation fee. You'll get a little bit more of a discount if you've never traded with them before. Stevie J, I like them both, but I'm more on the conservative side, so I don't mind waiting for the 786. It depends on how close they are to each other also. If they're far away, I don't know. I got to see. It's like a wait and see, but I usually start at the 786. But if they're close together, I'll have an order at the 707 and the 786. If you're trading with micros and you're trading with smaller size, it wouldn't hurt to put an order at the 707 and have like the rest of it at the 786. That's my thoughts on it. Results may vary. Disclaimer. Is that the right spot? I don't know. I don't even know if I like that spot. This shit just keeps fucking pumping. I'm going to move this up. I don't trust this. I don't know. I'm scared. It was right here. Let's see where it was. Hold on. Let me go back here. So I would have gotten filled pretty much right there. Let's see what happens. Now I would have gotten filled for sure. That is a 786 with this little area right here being the high. I don't trust it, so I moved it up to this more appropriate spot, I think, and it's still going. See, like I'd be red right now. There's the 707. It's not, but I wouldn't do that. I don't know. I don't trust any. I don't play those. I don't like to play those type of games, Olivier. Just trade one or the other. You know? Who knows? They might, especially if you're trading with Top Step, they might come out 6 months from now and say, on February 21st, 2014, you bought a call in micros. You bought a micro NQ. You went long in micros NQ, and you went long in micro and minis on the NQ. Therefore, the account you have now in 2029 is fucking terminated. You don't want to run into that issue. Oh, 707's holding here. You see, guys, it might actually stay there. Edward, I don't know. I don't know, bro. I don't work for Apex. I have no idea how it works. I do know that there are some people that were taken out of it and were able to buy accounts again. I know that much. Hopefully you're trading with other prop firms and you're not just waiting around for them. So what's up, Steph? Yeah, they remember when you were in band camp, Steph. They remember. They remember they remember prom night. They know what you did during prom. Jonathan Trentwell, what up? Is this really gonna hold here? Oh shit! You know what we got here? I think I'm gonna cancel this order because we got an algo candle incoming. We're about to have an algo candle. I don't want to get fucking caught in some bullshit fucking dildo green candle. Our risk algorithm picked up something. They were there at the supermarket. You didn't put your cart back into the fucking cart, the cart area. We remember. So your account is terminated today. P.S. I actually do put my shit in the cart. But that's a personal choice. You must have taken out $15K without spending much money. I don't know, bro. They must have deemed you a liability. I don't know. I don't know how it works. I don't know what their algorithm is. This is why I didn't want. I'm worried about this, but it looks like the 786, the 707's holding. And what's interesting is my order was. Where was my order? Well, maybe it's holding for now. Might retest the VWAP and then bounce. But my order before I fucking moved it up was right here. I would have been filled and then down like 10 points, and now I'd be up like 7 or 8 points. So this happens. I do this to myself a lot. I got a little nervous. I didn't like it. Plus the timing was not the best timing. I wasn't a huge fan of this. We know Trump. I don't know if Trump's still talking. I just didn't want to risk it. So guess what? I didn't make money, but I didn't lose money either. So I'm okay with that. Yeah. Fuck yeah, Jordan. 2K payout from Lucid Flex. How hard can it be? TJP, what's good? What up, Chip? Yo, Joe, were you on my stream yesterday? My Power Hour stream when I literally hit the take profit on 5 fucking evals. My take profit got hit. It takes me out of one of my 10 contracts on all 5 accounts and then drops and blows my accounts and then bounces right after it blows my accounts. And where I got taken out was 2 ticks below the bottom wick on that fucking candle, on that last candle. That was fucking awful. That was fucking awful. Well, I got the last laugh. We're good now. See, it doesn't matter what happened yesterday. None of that shit matters. Just like people fucking have to bring up the fact that I'll be up to Apex PA number 580 after I activate these 5. What about what I've done over the last 50 PAs? A lot of fucking money. This is holding. I don't know. I don't know what I want to do here. Gold, like, literally is, like, not moving at all. But the range on gold, 5,032, 68, and 32. 32 and the range on gold is not bad. It's 608, like 680 ticks. Not bad. For the day, it's kind of where you want it. If we're ever going to be able to trade gold again in Apex. Yeah, stock cards and bets. Exactly. There's a lot of people who do that shit. But a lot of people that didn't hedge got fucking the same fucking email. Matt, what up? Call me when you're at 1,500. Yeah, is that where you're at, Matt? It is chump change, though. There's guys that I can't even wear their jockstrap on their account, on their PA account numbers. They don't even show them. Oh, here we go. They don't even fucking show them. That's how many they have. They won't even show them. And when you ask them, you'll get blocked. 1350. Oh, man. So I should fucking, like, am I supposed to, like, make fun of you for that? I don't get it. I canceled that order. 985. Look, I would have gotten filled. Maybe I'll still get filled. I don't know. I was just worried about the MOC. I would have gotten filled. I canceled it, and then I just put his back here. I don't know. I still don't trust it. I don't trust it because of what time it is. I don't know. I'm waiting. I'm going to wait. I don't need to trade these anymore. I got a $50 day in, but I would like to grow them. I'm just being super cautious with them. I want to take them to another payout. It's 9 accounts. Motion Capital, not with Apex. Unless you saw something that I may have not seen yet. Let's see. Nah, we can't trade any metals with Apex. Still. Look, see? Hey, this is why I canceled the order. I don't trust, especially now. The 55-minute candle could fucking dump, but it could also go up 30 points. I'm not fucking around. It ain't worth it. Roger Adams. Hey, chat. JT. That's great, man. That's great. Here we go. Here's the fucking MOC candle. Is it hold here? Oh. Where was my order? 86.75. I mean, I would have been down fucking 11 points there. I don't know. Not worth it. It's not worth it. It could drop. I don't know what's going to happen. Now I'd be green. It's just not like this time of day. It's just not worth the risk with funded accounts. This shit could have fucking popped 50 points. Why even bother? Why even risk it? But at that point, I would have been up nine points or something like that. I need more fucking coffee. That's something I do know. So let's go for a walk. Oh, Brian Smith. Chip, thank you, bro. I appreciate it, man. Thank you. You're going to use the best code, 0DayJ, to grab some Apex accounts or one Apex account or whatever. It's the best fucking code. 90% off Apex. 90% off Apex. Low IQ. I showed you some low IQ trades today. I'd be green right now. Whatever. It's fine. I am green everywhere. Harvey, what are you doing over there? gotta shake that creamer, son. What are we doing here? I wonder if we're gonna pop into the close. I don't know. I'm just chilling. I'll wait for something else. I'm kind of annoyed though, because of course. Another canceled order that is turning into a potential banger. Is Jay still here, babe? Yeah, I don't know. I mean, I'm going to be fucking pissed when it comes down another 10, 15 points. So that would be 10 points right there. I'd be up $200. Well, I'd be up 250 because those were those 9 accounts that were already up $50. What are you going to do? Right? It is what it is. I just didn't trust. I didn't like the time of day to take that trade. I didn't want to risk it. So I canceled the order. It could have went the other way. And then I would have gotten stopped out and I'd be fucking red again. But whatever. It's fine. We'll just wait for something else. And if nothing else comes, then I got a $50 day in at the very least. You fuck. It's fucking 13 points right there. Damn, bro. $20 points. Kill me. Now I'm fucking mad. Now I want to cry. What a fucking drop. 30 fucking points. Fuck me. Oh my God, look at that shit. I should have just fucking left the order in. You gotta be fucking kidding me. You gotta be fucking kidding me. I do that shit all the time. Tyler. Stephen Cox. Why couldn't, I mean, I didn't want to, I would have been down fucking 10 points if I got filled on it. And I didn't want to be. We'll just wait for this. That might not be the spot, though. Stephen Cox, I love the creamer. Hot shot. Yeah, Scott, I just didn't want to risk it, but look, it worked. It would have worked out. I don't know. I didn't like the time of day to do it. I hope it comes down further, though. Roberto, what's good? JT. No, I'm trading NQ. One NQ. I feel more comfortable with the NQ again enough to trade minis. Sometimes two. But man, that would have been a banger. I don't know if I would have held it all the way down here, but I would have probably held it to at least 72. You know? Also are we going to retest the VWAP here and go lower? Also got to remember, like, I already got paid on these. So if let's say I caught this entire move, right? My order was at 86.75 and I caught this all the way down to the VWAP for fucking 30 something points. That would have been over. I would be at like almost 700, right? And then that would mean I'd have to grow this account, all 9 of these accounts, by a total of $2,333. to be eligible for another payout because the consistency rule resets. So I don't ever want to have big days like that on funded accounts that I already got payouts on. So I always keep that in the back of my mind when I'm fucking trading on funded accounts I already got paid on with Apex, at least. Hey, yo, Motion Capital. Hey, yo. Adam, yeah. That's every day, bro. That's every day. Raphael, I'm just seeing this now. Yeah, I know. Yeah, that's a new thing that they're doing. They let us exploit the loophole for over a year on the MAE rule. Now they're actually penalizing people for violating it. Gary, the Discord is still free. I'm sorry that happening, Raphael. That's why you want to put a fucking stop in place. I know sometimes shit happens and you get caught in a fucking crazy trade that goes against you, but that's why we have stop losses, man. Benny. Techniques. On Apex, yeah. No, it's just like whatever you get during that pay period. So if you have a 500, let's say, so like, look, I'll give you an example. What's a stop loss? Yeah, it depends on the prop firm you're trading with. You definitely need one for Apex. Oh, it's Jamco. What up, Jamco? So watch. I got my order down here anyway. I'm going to put it here. Fuck it. I'll leave it here. So I'm going to show you an example. 560. I'm at 42.65 total profit. I'm a little bit more because I got like $9 today flipping to get my flip day in. So here's the chart, right? So I got paid. They took out the balance here. So from the next batch of days you get, here's a day 258, 468, 262, 411, and then I did 582. But before I did the 582, the magic number was, before that even happened, I didn't want to grow the account. If I needed to grow it at least $1,563 total profit from the payout, from when I got paid, from whatever the balance was after they deducted my payout. Then I had a $582 day. 583. Let's just say 583. But I knew I was good. That meant I had to make sure that my account was grown by at least $1,943. It was grown by over $2,000. So I'm good. I'll be able to request. Tomorrow, after the market closes, another $2,000. Clarence, the red dots, you got a red dot on your head. Which ones? The red just means like a profit and loss. I took an L. This was them taking the payout out. They took a payout out. And then I also got like $160 that day. This account got a max payout. This was the first day I traded the account. It was a red day. I lost $67 the first day I traded. Trying to get I don't even know what I was trying to do, but I lost $67 on the first day I traded that account since when I first got it. Almost a month ago. Tommy, on the blue line, that just means I had a red day. If you're looking for like a violation dot, I'll show you an example of that, because I did violate I violated the scaling rule on this account by mistake. This is what you'll see. You see that little red? You see that little red? There it is. That little red fucking diamond looking thing. It was an inadvertent violation, but it was a violation, and I got denied. Guess what? I grew the account and got even more. I requested 572 and got denied. Got denied, and then I kept trading, and I grew the account and got fucking a max payout. And then I got another max payout. I'm working on my third fucking payout on this same account. Some people will just fucking charge back like little fucking crybabies about because they got denied on one payout. And then shit on Apex for 2 fucking years straight after that. Yeah, that was the violation was a scaling rule violation because the group got unchecked by TradeEvade inadvertently. Like it's like a hard refresh. It does like a hard refresh or some shit. And when it does that, a lot of times or almost every time, it unchecks the group, and I wasn't aware of it. I was like dozing off and falling asleep. And then I thought I got in a trade for the existing orders, and then I was trying to get out of a trade. It was just a mess. And then before I knew it, I violated the shit out of it, and it worked in my favor. I lost money on purpose to undo it, but it didn't matter anyway. It still didn't matter. I still got the violation. Mars. They'll send you an email. Arnie, what up? Yeah, Tommy. Oh, you want me to look at the Discord? I'm going to look here before I look anywhere else. I got to see this shit. Where? I missed it. Who the fuck? Oh, hold on a second. Hold on a second. Oh, that shit's dope. I love that shit. I fucking love it. I'm using them all. I'm using all of them. I don't discriminate. Is this real? Who the fuck is this guy? No, he looks like he's 6'8" next to this guy. Who is that? Is that Tommy? Is that what you wanted me to see? Oh, that's Peter Talkman? Ah, okay. That's Einstein. JP, what? Oh, yeah, I'm going to drop it again. Hey. Here. There's the link again.
Jay, come join me. Let's test this Ferrari. Feel the power with me.
Bro, I don't even know if I should have shown that on the fucking stream. You're in? Fuck. Longhorn. Now I know the name. I didn't know he was fucking 5'1". You're gonna get me in trouble. Yeah. Oh man. You guys. You see, guys. Does it want to fucking bounce here? I don't know. You got this right here, or this, or this. Fuck it, let's put it here. What up, Eben? Damn. Low IQ trading here. Just green everywhere. Green everywhere I fucking traded. Can't wait to get paid on this one. If I could get, I need 2 more days of $150 or more. How hard can it be? Nutty is Nutty really that tall, or is that guy really short? Are there any earnings? I don't think there's any earnings today. Oh man. Weekly news outlook. We got this shit. Earnings. Today's Wednesday. We got Carvana. We got Ligma. Yo, I didn't even know Ligma was. Oh, it's Figma. I thought it was Ligma. eBay. DoorDash. Tomorrow, Walmart in the morning. Wayfair. Nothing really in the afternoon. That's it. AS, what up? Nate, I don't know. It depends on where you have your fib. Oh, wait, down on the big bounce? If you had your low here, from the high a day to the low, if you had your low at this spot right here, it was a 786. If you had your low a little bit lower, if you had your low to this low, which is probably more appropriate, it was the 707. Steph, most of the time earnings are like right around now, but it's nothing that's going to move the market. Right off the top orb. Rick, it's so funny how I don't even look at that shit anymore. It's crazy. The New York top orb. I don't even have it on my fucking let's see. Trading View. NQ. Oh, look at that. Amazing. Amazing. But watch this. This low. You see, guys? You see, guys? 707. So you had some confluence there. It actually wicked below the New York top orb and hit the 707 and then bounced. You see, guys, with this low. Am I going to regret this order being here? I had it like over here before. Amon, how much you need to make a 2,700 payout? Well, 2,750 is the max. But for 2,700, you would need 7,300. 7,300, Amon. Rick. I like the orbs, Rick. I just don't remember to look at them. I don't know. It's weird. The only time I'll notice it is if I'm drawing a fib. I'm like, oh, shit. There's an orb, a top orb or whatever it is, the top or bottom. It's at the 707 on my fib. And then I'll be like, oh, shit, that's pretty cool. It gives me another confirmation. But other than that, I don't take any trades based on that shit anymore. All I do is trade based on the fibs. Clinvale, what up? We are, actually. We are. Another low IQ day for your boy. Green. Ha! I got to fucking pee. Keep an eye on this fucking order. I'm going to put a stop loss in here. I'll be right back. Chat. No, nothing. Nothing. Ha! Armando, what up? What'd I miss? Nothing? What's gold doing? Did gold wake up? Not really. Gold is trading in this fucking 100 tick range right now. Micah! Micah! Rick, you know they're not going to come and say anything with their real accounts. You know they're not going to. What are they going to say? Oh, he's on PA number 575. Yeah. So? I'm profitable. Can't say shit. Can't say shit. Oh, man, come down here and film me. Just walk away. Come on, do something cool here. Look how much lower we are from, dude, my order was, what was my order to go short? 986. From 986, where I fucking put that new order in and fucking pussied out, we were down fucking almost 60 fucking points. I'm so annoyed about that. But whatever. It is what it is. It is what it is. Drop it. Film me. Can you film me? Nayo, what's up? Mike Fab. No, not cooked. I just wanted to get those traded before I moved on to anything else because I didn't get a lot of accounts traded last night. The priority accounts were these two. These two. Got my fourth $50 day in on those. This one. This one I did last night. It was just a flip day for day 7. We're good. I'm requesting a max payout tomorrow after the market closes. This one is also my fourth $50 day. I needed to get that one done today. I did it today. And then these I just got approved on all of these. So if I just stay at this right here, this will be my first $50 day out of I need 5. But obviously I need a lot more than $50. My Fab, yeah, bro. I'm good. Fucking green everywhere. Green. This shit ain't moving. The shit just stopped. Gold ain't moving. But look at this. Even in this little fucking cuck range, right? This little cuck zone. Oh, look, a 786 bounce here. What do you know? Hey, look, Ma, a 786 bounce here. Let's see. Can we get a trifecta here? This one wicked a little bit lower, but it still bounced off of that level. Maybe the 887. Plenty of opportunities, though. I mean, just this alone right here, right? 961. That was 125 ticks. And then this bounce right here, 998. 71 ticks. I would love 71 ticks. Simplistic. Chilling. Doing very well. Thanks for asking. Hope you're doing well as well. You signed the wife up with 20 Apex evals? You going to teach her how to trade? Oh. Just sitting here waiting, hoping to get filled. Chat. By the way, Apex Trader funding is 90% off with discounted active lifetime activation fees, $75 or $95, depending on this account size. With the best fucking code, ZeroDayJ. The lowest IQ'd coupon code on these prop firm streets, ZeroDayJ. Works on Apex, Take Profit Trader, Trade Day. You see what just happened? You see what just happened? This is what I was talking about. TradingVate will do some sort of hard refresh. Look, it pushed me to this account, 851, which I can't even trade. This is some account I blew over a year ago, I think, at this point. I don't even remember when I got it. Just an eval. And it unchecked my fucking group. Look, my group's not checked anymore. That's how I violated the fucking scaling rule on that account, account number 538, that got denied the first time around. I requested anyway. That's what happened. So imagine you're fucking dozing off and you're falling asleep, or you're not paying attention and that happens, and then you're fucking in a trade. You get in a trade because you have open existing orders and you don't realize what the fuck is going on, and then you go to put a stop in or a take profit in, and you do it in one account. So I'm in 9 accounts. I have an order for 9 fucking accounts to be copy traded. Let's say I get filled and I'm like, oh shit, I get filled. And I put an order in for 9 to get out of the trade, and it takes me out of that one, and then I'm short or long 8 fucking minis. There's your violation right there because of fucking TradeVate. Refreshing. Pay attention. Pay attention, because that shit could happen to anybody. It's happened to me plenty of times. But there it is. There it is. You got to see it in real time. You got to witness it. Gilbert. Oh, man, thank you, bro. I really appreciate that. Thank you, man. Thank you very much, Gilbert. Checks in the mail. Full tilt, what up? Yeah, see? Elevated Life, what's up? Oh, she does. Oh, stock cards are best. She does actually trade. That's awesome. That's awesome. I want to teach my wife how to trade. I was thinking about starting a channel, and it's just me teaching her how to trade. You know, with like her librarian glasses on. Jay Styles, what up? What up, Tone? Yeah, I'll just take a stop loss and regroup. A lot of times those parabolic moves, if your fib is in the right spot, it will actually fucking bounce off or reject off of a key level. Dips and peaks. She was thinking about it. She's not really interested in trading. I don't know. My son is. But it's hard for me to get him on a fucking schedule because he's got a girlfriend and he has a job and he goes to college. He wants to learn though. But I told him, I was like, I'm not going to fucking drag you into a room to watch me trade or to teach you shit. You got to show the initiative. You got to show me you want it. I'm not going to fucking drag you into it because then you won't want to do it. So, you know, he's busy. Alexander, what's up, man? And thank you. Jacob, I know. I'm gonna show it. I'm gonna show him my fib later. Hytem, what up? Mob guy, yeah. I would teach her exactly how I trade. Oh, it's Tony 305. What up? Tony 305. Yeah, dips and peaks, exactly. Like I was like, of course I want to show my son how to do this, especially now that I figured out some things and I could, you know, confidently say I could show you how to be a profitable trader. I want to fucking show him, but I'm not going to be like, hey, come on. He knows I'm fucking trading. He knows when I'm trading. He's around. He's ditching the gym with me today to go hang out with his fucking girlfriend. So, you know, his priorities, I'm fine with that. I have no problem with that. But his girlfriend is a major priority for him. I'm fine with that. She's a nice girl, very nice girl. So I'm happy for him. But he's the one that said, hey, I want you to show me how to trade. Okay. Well, you got to show me you want me to show you. I'm not just going to fucking drag you in here. Christine, what's up? And thank you. Alfred, that would be awesome. Teaching my little kid how to fucking... That would be a cool channel. Teaching him how to trade or teaching my wife. Obviously, with my wife, is this really going to fucking hold here? With my wife, you know, there's other benefits for me because she's hot. So I could exploit her. You know? You got all these girls with fucking with channels that are fucking blowing up and they don't even show you their accounts. You never even know if they get payouts. One of them just bought a fucking Ferrari, and it wasn't from fucking trading. It wasn't from gains from trading. So I think my wife's better looking than all of them. I just don't know if I want to exploit her like that. I don't need fucking motherfuckers trying to slide into her DMs, although she wouldn't even be looking at them. Yeah, hey Tony, I want a Ferrari too, so I'm thinking about how much I should charge for my Fibonacci course. White trash, exactly, bro. Christine Ann, it would bring in a lot of women traders, but it would bring in a lot of simps also. I should say that she's an ICT trader. It will bring in all the ICT guys that love watching fucking, you know, Tanya and fucking who's the other one? Lumi. Charge $786. Lonnie, that's actually a great idea. $69,000 design knob. To Joom. He's using that Thrive money. Option exchange. What up? See, bro, you don't need me to show you, bro. You already got your shit on lock. David, what up? Yeah, Rick. It would just, you know what it would be, Rick? It would literally be me cracking stupid jokes that she's heard a million times and her rolling her eyes. That would be great, actually. It would just be the eye roll stream. Elevated life. Yeah, she's cute. I still think my wife is better looking, but that's besides the point. Jose. Low IQ trading. Yeah. Coach Fred. I'm kind of annoyed that this didn't fucking come down lower. I want to get another day. Fuck me. I had an opportunity to get a $900 day in on these trade day evals, and I canceled the fucking order like a pussy, and it fucking pumped. Sako. Pass the smash with my wife. Yeah. Yo, I could the fucking all the innuendos I could use in the marketing of that channel. It would be fucking amazing. I just don't want people gooning all over my wife, you know? 618, yeah. I gotta be up there with whatever Tory charges and fucking Jade Cap and, you know. Or maybe I go with the PW route, only charge a couple $100. And then I'll just say the whole time, you see guys, one-time special. I would, though. I would do it all fucking day. Tory Trey's tan lines. Yeah. There she is. This sucks. I wanted to get a little bit more out of these accounts, but whatever. Simplistic. How hard was it for me? I don't know. If you watched the shit I put myself through all the time, like I just got tired of fucking up for the same reasons. And I was getting payouts. I was getting payouts. I haven't missed a single fucking month of getting a payout. June 2024 was the last time I did not get a payout. I got my first ever payout in May of 2024. Missed June because I was an idiot and was fucking thinking about the next payout when I should have been focused on locking in the current payout that I had locked. And I was like, oh, it was a 25K Apex. And I was like, if I take this payout, and this was before you had a safety net. So you would get the max payout. That was what you got. You didn't have to worry about the net. So I was at, what do you have to be at I was at 26,600 and change. So it was like $26,680 on a 25K. And I had just about all my days, and I was on day 6, day 7. I'm like, oh, if I take this payout, I'm not going to have any drawdown left, and I won't be able to get another payout. So what I tried to do was grow the account just a little bit more to get it to like 2,000 and give myself breathing room. And I ended up blowing the account. And that was the last month I never got it. That was the last month. Ever since then, July 2024, every fucking month from July 2024 until now, I have never missed a fucking month. But it doesn't mean I wasn't inconsistent. I'd have 5-figure months. I'd have a $2,000 month, an $1,850 month, then a $7,000 month, then an $18,000 month. It was only until after I blew the 20 Apex. I had 20 PAs in September, and I was closing in on a max payout or just a payout at all. All of them were growing, and then I had a fucking meltdown and lost 9 of them one day, and then the next day I was up $300, and I was at and I could have just called it a day, and I tried to get a little bit more, and those accounts, all 10 of those were at like 3,400 or some shit, and I blew the accounts like a fucking dummy. And then I had one account left, and that's the one I took for a payout for 2,000. That's all I got that month. And then that type of shit continued into October, and then like the beginning of October, the first week, I just stopped. I just realized how often the fibs play out. I liked the fibs before that. I just didn't realize how often they played out throughout the day, especially with gold. And I just started looking for the fibs to play out with gold and gold only on my funded accounts. And from October 16th till now, I'm at $135,000 in payouts with minimal fucking money spent. But if you have a setup that you look for, if there's something that works for you, you could see it, whatever it is. It doesn't have to be the fibs. It could be whatever. If you know that's your highest probability trade, just wait for it. That's all. That's all I do is I just wait. Like, look, I didn't fucking jump in on this because it might be bouncing and this, that, and the other thing. I have my order down here. If it gets filled, it gets filled. If it doesn't, it doesn't. Doesn't make for very entertaining, streaming for some people because they need to see action. But I did trade on my stream. It just, I canceled a fucking order here. That would have been a banger because I'm a pussy. But that's besides the point. I didn't like the time of day that it was fucking happening, so I canceled it because I was worried that this move could have went the other way and I would have got stopped out and been red in these accounts. But you just got to find whatever works for you and just wait for it. And that's boring as fuck, but that's where the money's at, in waiting. Twan on, what up? I love the Lucid Flex accounts. I did grow them. Oh, I thought you were asking like how I like them. Yeah, the accounts are good. We're good. We're looking great, bro. They had like 500, anywhere from like 500 and change to like 575 in drawdown. I've grown them like $800. Well, I can tell you what I grew them at. Actually, let me go to let me open up my dashboard. Is that going to work? I've grown them all $798 since I got my payout. So I gave myself some breathing room. And I got my third $150 day in. That's the only drawback to the Flex accounts. That's about it. But they're just like XFA. So the same shit happens with a Top Step account too. So these are the 3 days. So like this is the first day after I got paid. I just got the bare minimum and said, fuck it. This one I got a little bit more, and then this one I pushed a little bit harder. So maybe, I don't know what I'm going to do for the next 2 days, but I'm going for at least 150 every day. Tomorrow and Friday. If I could just get 150 on each of those, I'll be between all 4 accounts, it'll be like $3,800 after fees, after they take their 10%. Sign me up. Sign me up for that shit. And I'll actually end up having more drawdown. I'll have like what? What am I at with these accounts? I'll be at 1,700. Let's say I'm at 1,700. I request 850. I'll have $750 in drawdown to work with as I go for my third payout with them. NQ's lagging right now. TJP, interesting. Check out my broker statements, Elevated Life. Pop some Xanax, that'll slow your ass down. Simplistic, yeah. Yeah, hey, that's great advice from White Trash Trades. Just pop some Xannies. Bro. Central, what up? What the fuck is going on here? Damn, bro. I just wanted it to come down a little bit more. How hard can it be? How hard can it be to come down just a little bit more? And I don't think it's coming back anytime soon. I didn't get to trade these again, which kind of fucking sucks too. Man, I think the only time I ever took a Xanax, I fucking was drinking too, and it fucking like I blacked out. I don't even remember. I woke up the next morning not remembering what the fuck happened. That happened with a Quaalude too. Worse with the Quaalude. Tone. I used the 1 minute chart, but if you look at some of these fibs I drew, and I'll draw them on TradingView too. Like this fib I drew, even though it's on the 1 minute chart, we're talking about the low from when the market opened. The low from fucking what? 7 hours ago? 6 hours ago? The low and high. So it was a 7-hour play. So if I just didn't draw it on here, but if you look on TradingView, on TradingView, there it is. I'll look on TradingView. I got fibs for like the larger time frames. Look at this fib I have drawn. You see this one right here? So we got the high right here from fucking last Thursday. Last Thursday's high. Whatever that high was. I don't even know if that's the high day, but that was the last high. And it was Thursday to yesterday's low. Right? That's my fib. We rejected off the 707 and dumped. We came all the way up to the 707. I had this drawn. So I do use the larger time frames as a reference. Same thing with gold. And I pussied out. Here's the 786 from this high. This was Friday's high. I think this is actually Friday's high a day. And then the low here was from yesterday. We came all the way back up and hit the 786 and rejected off of it. I had an order in this area right here and I canceled it on my Take Profit Traders. I could have had another fucking, $400 or so. But I canceled it like a pussy instead of just waiting. Because on the larger time frame, sometimes it takes longer to materialize. Christian, what up? Yeah, I think I just answered your question. Yeah, like I think I had like a fucking beer, and I was smoking. This was back in the day. I was smoking weed with my homies. It was at my house too. We used to always fucking. My mom would go to my mom. At this point, my mom married to my stepfather yet? I think he was. I don't know. Maybe he wasn't yet. So she would, when I lived in Valley Stream, he had his place in Atlantic Beach. So she would spend the weekend in Atlantic Beach, and we would always fucking party at my house. Me and all the homies. Yeah, Tone. Yeah, I'm always on the 1 minute chart on where I'm trading, right? But I still use the larger time frames just to see what the fuck is going on. Is gold really dropping right now? Gold is fucking great. Well, let's see. Whatever. If I don't get to trade these, then I don't get to fucking trade them. The most I could trade is 4 micros anyway, if it's in gold. I really wanted to get more on this account. And look, you see, like I didn't get to trade 538. I didn't get to trade 538. I didn't get to trade this brand new one here. I didn't get to trade my trade days. It's okay. Although this was a fucking pretty nice opportunity right there, and I didn't fucking take it. How much are we up right now? Not much, like 18 ticks. But like, whatever, it's fine. The show goes on. I'm not going to cry about it. Like, you don't need to trade every account you have. If it's not there, it's not there. I'm not just going to hop in a trade here and try to force it just because I want to get more on this account. Like, I don't like what's doing right now. Although right here, right now, let me make this bigger. Look at this. Oh, look what we rejected off of, the 786. We're down fucking 4 points. It's not a lot because the market is, the volume dried up. Traders each, I do, like, I share them all the time. Every stream, I draw this shit. Smash the like. Tony, tell him. We got to do it for Trevor LeConte. Smash that like button. By the way, if you guys are anyone here for the first time, subscribe to the channel, hit that notification bell. I stream every single day for Power Hour and then 2 or 3 times during the week at night during Asia. I don't have a set time. I just hop on whenever I can and we hang out and I trade just like I did today. Not as much as I wanted to, but it happens. Twitter's down? Look at that shit. 8 points. Also, if you guys are not, is that what you're talking about, JC? You talking about Twitter? If you're not in the best community, you should be, because it's the best fucking community, and it's free for now. Oh, you're cracking. Damn, look at that 786 rejection. Fuck me, I missed it. That would have been a good one right there. That's really all I needed. Look, it's down fucking, it went down fucking 9 points. You fuck. Well, let me make sure I don't have any open orders on fucking trade. I guess I'm not trading my trade day evals today. Look at that shit go. Look at that. 10 fucking points. 10 points. I'm so annoyed. I would have loved another 10 points. That would put me at 250 on the day with these. We'll see. We'll see what happens. Look at that shit go. Fuck, man. You see, guys, the fibs play out. Here's the high. Here's the low. On the shorter time frames. What is that, 20 minutes worth of fucking... Well, it's more than that. Oh, my God. Shit's down 22 points. It's less than an hour worth of fucking candles. Look where we're at, though. Yo, is it going to come here? I'll take this. Give me that. Give me that. Give it to me. That's the high. Here's a low. 707. 786 is here. Does it bounce off of this or does it keep going? I'm a little wary of trying to get in here. You see, guys? Nice. That was a happy little fucking... Oh, not 20 points. It was 16 points. 16 points. You see, guys? $16 points and counting. Oh, look. Is it bouncing off the 786? I don't know if it's going to hold here. We're approaching some fuckery time. It could, though. But, man, it just dropped 17 points. You know what I should do, though? I should get a flip day in on this. 576, the new one. Might as well get a flip day in. Might as well get a flip day on all of these. So we're going to do that no matter what. Don't want to waste a day, right? 576. Oh, this might end up being more than a flip day. It could be a red day, too. Oh, shit, that scared me. Uh-oh. Ew. Is this going to fuck up my green everywhere shit? Is this 786 going to hold? I'll risk it on this brand new account. Uh-oh, it's not going to hold. Not the ideal type of flip day I wanted. Where's the 7/8? Where's that order that I had? Where's the order in the other account? 924? Shit. We'll add there. Fuck it. For shits and giggles, chat. For shits and giggles. This is what happens when you fuck around at the end of the day, too. This was a good opportunity here. This so much? Not really. I don't know. We'll see, though. Oh, I'm fucking green! I'm fucking... Uh-oh. Not anymore. Tactical. That's fucking great, bro. Vero. It's a happy little Fibonacci, Michael Gianos. This is what I was waiting the last fucking half hour for. Or more. When did I put this order in? Down here. Well, I had it and I canceled it. Uh-oh. Uh-oh. Oh, am I not going to get filled? Damn, this fucked up my green everywhere. This is not the kind of flip day I wanted on this brand new account. This is what happens when, you fuck around at this time of day. Let's move this down here. Wishful thinking. I wish it would have filled me and then fucking went up. I'd be green right now. I'd be green. Let's see. 34. Oh! Good. Let's get some more. Let's get some fucking more. Get the fuck up there. How much did I go down? 9.5 points. Uh-oh. I would have been green by like 4 points. With two minis. That would be $160. Running out of time here, chat. The only other account I got to trade is 538. Can we just get the fuck out of this trade now? I wish it fucking filled me. Damn, I wish it filled me down here. You know what I mean? Because that would have been, I'd be up. Actually, I would have been up like 5 or 6 points. I'd have more than $200. Let's go! Pop that shit. Please. Keep the green streak alive. Green everywhere. Come. Oh, no. I'm running out of time, too. Fuck me. 538. $538. Where are you at? Get the fuck up there! How much time do I have left? 12 seconds. 12 seconds. 12 seconds. Oh. I think I finished green. I got to. Oh, man. Now, look, now it's going up. Hey, we got a flip day in. I'm fucking green everywhere. Woo! Woo! I wanted that to go up a little more, but whatever. I ran out of time. Not a great entry. And I got, what did I get on this one? $31. That's just a flip day. Green everywhere. Oh, look at it go now. Look at that shit pop. It would have hit my fucking take profit. I had my take profit like right here. Of course, it hits it right 5 seconds later. But I was out of time. I got liquidated. You see, guys? You see, guys? I'm fucking green everywhere. Sorry to disappoint the haters. Sorry. Didn't get to trade this, which sucks. I could have right here. I fucked that up. Sorry. Apex is 90% off with the best fucking low IQ code 0DayJ. Jose, what'd you take? What did you do in the last 10 minutes? Would you take that short? You must have taken this short right here. Giorgio. Oh, nice. Oh, you fucking played both of that. Hey, from one degenerate to another, I salute you. Chevy, what up, man? Thank you. I think you're saying you grabbed some Apexes. Oh, it's Anthony Cooper. What up? Chevy Flames. JP. I believe so, yeah. So if you've never had an account with Lucid, any eval, any size, your first one will be 50% off. Trade Day offers an extra discount too. I just don't know if it'll be 50 for your first use for the first account because now they're 30% and not 40. It just might be an extra 10%. We love it. We loved it. We love the degenerate shit. You posted something else? Let's see. Who the fuck is that? Oh, Larry Williams. Isn't that guy a legend? Isn't that guy like a legendary trader? Oh, JP. I can't show that one again. Rick. Well, I appreciate that, man. Thank you. I do appreciate that. I mean, she's obviously happy for me and for us because it's a nice amount of money that's kind of flowing in right now, you know? So she's just thinking about all the shit she wants to do to our double wide, double tall trailer. Vero. You got to find someone who does. Rick. She likes when I make money. You know what I mean? Yeah, man. I appreciate it. Nice little evolution, right? It just look. I'm just here. Oh, there she is. Where you going with that mirror? Oh, like there was like I never fucking hit anything the whole time. So like you saw, everybody got to see me fucking suck, not know what I'm doing. I had a basic idea about trading, but didn't know how futures worked. Everybody got to see me fucking get better. Isn't that the idea? And people still have shit to say. It's so fucking stupid. It's weird. Isn't this how it should have been? How else should it have played out? Oh, they would want me to just give up and quit so they'll never see me again. Just don't come on my fucking channel. You don't want to see me again? Block me on fucking Twitter. Unfollow me. Get the fuck out of my Discord. Get the fuck off my channel. And you don't have to see me anymore. Or just be a fucking mad fucking loser hater. Most people would be happy for someone that's fucking showed their full journey, nothing hidden. That's a good thing. I give people, hopefully people see me and it inspires them, makes them feel like they could do it too. Which they can. Anybody can. That's what I'm here for. I'm an example. I want to be a positive example. You know? Instead of fucking hiding my account numbers and hiding everything and selling a fucking dream. But whatever. Can't please everyone. And you shouldn't ever try. Mr. Bagbeef, super hard to watch. Super hard to watch. I mean, how many fucking green everywhere days have I been having too? That happens a lot. And yeah, me, I still have so much to learn. I still have a lot of growth. I'm not even close to my full potential. I still blow up accounts that don't need to be blown up. It still happens. Just happened the other night. I could have just fucking taken a step back and said, I'm going to wait for this fucking flash dump to fucking play out, and then I'm going to get back into the game. And I didn't. I just kept fucking stubbornly getting back in, and it just kept fucking, and then I was fucking cooked. Cooked my beautifully over the fucking buffer trade days. Big tick, yeah, pass the smash is a great fucking way to pass prop firm accounts. Results not typical. Most people will find that their fucking pass rate is the same, if not close to the same, maybe even better sometimes in some cases. If you wait for good setups, it's a viable fucking strategy to get that shit the fuck out of the way so we could get to work on our funded accounts. Giorgio, I know. And look how much more patient I am now. I still have so much more that I could be patient. You know what I mean? I'm not even fucking close. I'm not even close. Rick. The only thing about pass to smash is like you will go through more accounts. You'll go through more faster because of that. But your pass rate will be fucking pretty good if you're waiting for the right time. You're waiting for the right spot. Like these 5 right here. I mean, holy shit. Right there. This was the 786. Hold on. Let me move this back up. This is where I had it originally. The 786 right there. After a large fucking drop down. We dumped from the high of day. We dumped from 129 to fucking 864. Almost 300 points. I mean, it could have kept going down. It could have went through it and then finally hit the low of the VWAP band, but it didn't. But it wasn't just a guess. I had my order in a spot, in a key level, at a key spot. And I got filled and I got my 15 points. Pass the smash completed. Yesterday I got completely fucked. Everybody saw it. But whatever. It's okay. Do the math. My pass rate on the last batch of accounts, I passed 6 out of 16. 6 divided by 16. 37.5%. Because this one, 76, 576, I passed on Monday. It was a rebuild that came through. I passed it. I went 1 for 1 on that. Then I went 0 for my next 10. And then I went 5 for my next 5. 6 for 16. It always balances out. 38%. That's higher than my overall fucking rate. Yeah, it was dirty as fuck. Rebby. How does pass or smash? Rebby's smash rate is 45%. So that means your pass rate is what? 55%? JP. What's your username? I'll follow you, bro. I try to follow everyone back who I know. Zamal. I don't know how to say your fucking name. It's just you just full port. It works great on, look, I don't recommend you do it. I don't recommend anyone do it. It's your money, you do whatever you want. I like to do it on prop firms where I can pass in one day. And then on the days I can't pass in one day because of consistency rules, I play half a smash. I just try to get as much as I can get before the consistency rule is violated. Since Apex does not have a consistency rule, you could pass in one day. I go for the full thing. You don't have to full port. You could pass in one trade, not full porting, but the idea is to full port. I don't recommend it. Results not typical. Expect to fucking blow your account doing it. Getting the fucking disclaimers out of the way. Mr. Bagby, yeah, 38.2%. Yeah. Oh, I got you, bro. I got you. Oh, look, I am following you. Look, I followed you back. I am following you. Yeah, like you still, like if you're gonna do it, you still gotta pick a good spot. You can't just be like, all right, I'm gonna get in right. I'm just gonna get in, and whatever happens, happens. No, you still want to pick a good spot. You're still trading. You're just trading with very fucking heavy size, which isn't recommended. I don't recommend it. I don't recommend pass and smash. I like playing pass and smash. I'm pretty good at it. Anyway, I'm going to bounce. I got to make videos that I'm probably going to end up not posting because that's what's been happening lately. And then editing them is just a pain in the ass, and I get tired later in the day. But I'm going to make my videos anyway, and maybe I'll actually get to post some. And then maybe I should just make one video and just show everything. I don't know. And then I got to run to Target to get ink for the printer. Maybe I'll stream later. I don't know. I'll try to. Actually, I should be able to. I got to go to the gym. That's the only thing I have to do. And I got to go to Target with the missus. Well, I don't even know if she's coming with me, but I got to go regardless. She doesn't even want to go with me. Fuck. Damn. That's it. So with that said, smash the like button for Trevor LeConte. Subscribe to the channel. Hit the notification bell. I stream every single day for Power Hour 2 and through close. I also stream at other random times. It's always during Asia. That's usually when I stream, or around Asia when the market reopens. And I hang out and trade and all that shit. You can watch me. Here's the link to join the best. Jay Stores. Here's the link. Hey, Rick, thank you. Here's the link to join the best fucking community on these prop firm streets. It's better than most paid fucking Discords in this space, if not all of them. That's where the DGen fam hangs out. It's free for now. Anyway, with that said, guys, thank you so much for hanging out. Smash the like button, all that good shit. I'll talk to you soon. Enjoy the rest of your day.